In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shade to a particular time frame in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're on your TradingView chart with the market and time frame you actually want to work with already selected. It could be a 5-minute chart, a 1-hour chart, or even a daily chart, but have that open and visible so you can instantly see the effect of the shading once we set it up. Now, look toward the top of your TradingView interface and find the Indicators button. This is usually located near the middle or upper left section of the chart toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all the tools, scripts, and community indicators live, and it's also where you'll be able to access any indicator that can highlight or shade certain sessions or specific time windows on your chart. Once the Indicators panel opens, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box. This is important because rather than scrolling through a long list, it lets you instantly narrow down what you're looking for. With the search box active, you can start typing the name of the indicator or script that you use to shade particular timeframes. For example, many traders use session highlight tools or custom scripts that allow them to visually mark things like the New York session, London session, pre-market hours, or any other period they want to focus on. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results underneath the search bar. When you see the indicator or script designed to shade a specific time frame, simply click on it. TradingView will immediately apply it to your current chart, and you should see those shaded regions appear, helping you quickly identify the periods you care about without needing to constantly check the time along the bottom axis. From here, you can usually open the settings for that indicator by hovering over its name on the chart and clicking the settings icon. Inside, you'll often be able to adjust the start time and end time of the shading, the color and opacity of the shaded area, and sometimes which days of the week it applies to. Take a moment to fine-tune those settings so the shading matches the exact time frame you want to highlight and is easy on your eyes. If you want to unlock the full power of these tools with more features and flexibility, make sure you use my affiliate link in the description to sign up for TradingView Pro. This helps support the channel and gives you access to more advanced chart layouts, additional indicators, and a smoother overall experience, making your shaded timeframes and your entire trading workflow much easier to manage.